Welcome back, everybody. We're here at the World Food Championships in Dallas, Texas, showing off Blackstone Griddles and having fun. So this is a recipe I did about a year ago on Blackstone's YouTube channel. I call it Buffalo Chicken Skewers.
Skewers!
I've got the Blackstone Griddle on medium. I've got some blue cheese, right? You gotta have some blue cheese, and blue cheese takes a while to melt, so we're gonna put it down in a little tin on the griddle and see what we get going with that. I think a little bit of butter might help. What do you think? A little bit of extra virgin olive oil, or of course it could be avocado oil, canola oil, corn oil. You get the point. The griddle doesn't care. Stop it with these oil wars. I've got the skewers just marinating in a typical buffalo chicken sauce, okay? It's like butter and Frank's hot sauce, and they've just been sitting in there for a couple hours, chilling out in the refrigerator. The cool thing about wooden skewers on the Blackstone Griddle is, compared to a traditional braided grill, they're not going to catch on fire. You can set them on there all day, and you can turn them and turn them and turn them. They're not going to catch on fire, so you don't have to soak them in water. That blue cheese starting to melt. With that butter in there, we're gonna make a perfect blue cheese drizzle. All right. Garnish for the skewers, of course, buffalo chicken, carrots, and celery. Celery is not gonna provide us with much pop, but carrots. So picked up some of these shredded carrots here. We're gonna throw them down on my cutting board, and we're just gonna chop these bad boys up. Maybe mince them, I guess. Let's mince these up, and we'll just lightly dust the skewers before we serve them. So no celery, but I think green onion might add a little pop, just a little more flavor, right, than celery. Nothing wrong with celery, but we want this thing to be bursting with flavor, so we're gonna mince up a little green onion. All right, so green onion over here with the carrot. We're gonna mix that together. That'll just sit there and be ready for later. Meanwhile, that buffalo blue cheese drizzle over here, looking right nice with that butter. Whoa! So it's probably been 10 minutes or so. Let's go down and give them a twist. Oh yeah, that's what we're talking about. Look at that. Oh, baby. So again, these wood skewers, just real nice. You know, they're disposable. We can give them a flip. Oh yeah. Simple, simple recipe. Perfect for game day, by the way.
Go Birds, go Eagles.
You'd laugh, wouldn't you?
I'm every through computer screen, show me 23.
We're just looking to make sure all that, you know, translucent color is gone. So that's not done yet. So we're just cooking this to sight right now, making sure it's all done. We're here in Dallas, Texas. I've been hearing about the Mountain Dew Fruit Quake with a blast of artificial fruitcake flavor. We've got a bunch of our friends. Are you ready?
We're ready.
Smell it. Do a sniff test.
Smells decent.
That's different. It's not white horse.
Now do a Stone Cold test.
You ready? Are you gonna pour it?
No, we better
Okay,
not.
let's go. Everyone toast it.
Cheers.
Mountain Dew Fruit Quake, and go.
Not bad.
That's pretty good.
Tastes like fruit punch.
Yeah, Mountain Dew mixed with fruit.
Exactly.
I think it's Mountain Dew mixed with fruit punch. Come on, everyone stand up, make it clean. Go ahead, tell us your review. Go.
It's okay.
It's okay.
It's like the Dallas Cowboys, that's it.
It's not bad. I like it.
It tastes like Fruit Stripes gum.
Oh.
It does.
It does.
Whoa!
Yeah. Yeah.
This does taste like fruit punch gum. It does. And it's really good. I like it.
Wait, last but not least, Mr. Greenlee, come on. The chicken's looking good, right? The color's good. It's cooked all the way through. We're gonna put these down in our little butter blue cheese mixture. Oh, baby. Gonna roll them around, of course. We're not gonna be shy. All right. So we got chicken marinated in buffalo sauce, and we've cooked it on the griddle, of course, on a skewer. I don't know if I said this earlier, but they're the chicken breast portions. You know, they sell them, they call them chicken fingers, and they just look like a little Christmas tree. You just put those on a skewer. You've seen me use them before. Oh, we're gonna baste. Hey, we're in that Thanksgiving time of year. Gonna gently baste these skewers with that blue cheese butter. Come on. The only person I ever met that never liked blue cheese, you. Out of there.
He's talking about me.
Get out.
Great idea. I love
Grab some skewers here. Let's put 3 of them down, make them look nice and pretty. Franks, it has butter and cayenne, or you can just get regular Franks and mix it with butter, whatever you want to do. And then just put a little bit down on top of there, make it look extra pretty. A little bit like that. And again, garnish them any way you want. Today we're just choosing to do carrot and green pepper, just a little something something on there. Take a look at that.
So I ran the crew down there, but he was kind of.
Give it a try.
Give it a
Watch
try.
out for that pokey skewer. Buffalo chicken skewer.
Turn. Give it a try.
Fall off the bone.
Fall off the skewer.
Skewer. So I ran the crew down there, but he was kind of.